Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra confirmed. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing good. Samsung's official unpack event date is out. Samsung uploaded a teaser of the unpack event of new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and are people happy about the Galaxy S22 Ultra specification? Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra release date was revealed by several leakers, but no one is confirmed. But now Samsung uploaded a video on its official YouTube channel, and this date is 9th of February 2022, as I already talked about in my previous video, and now Samsung confirmed it. Before moving on, if you like the content, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, are you willing to update to Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra? This time, Samsung is not willing to update a base model to 256 gigs, but 128 gigs is a base model for all variants including the Galaxy S22 Ultra. People were talking about if we are spending $1,299 for S22 Ultra and we only get 128 gigs internal storage, then it's not a good deal to make. According to the leaked prices, Samsung S22 Ultra top variant will cost £1,499 or euros and not include in 1 TB of storage, just giving you 512 gigs of internal storage and 12 gigs of RAM, not 16. The most concerns about the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is its processor. Both are sketchy. Samsung is trying new AMD GPU, which we don't know how well it will perform because in benchmarks it's not impressive. And if we talk about Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which is already facing heating issues in Motorola phone, but we don't know how well it will be optimized by Samsung. The debate is still on until we get to hands on the S22 Ultra and perform some tests on it. Samsung wants S22 Ultra Exynos variants portrayed as a gaming CPU, but is it optimized for heating issues? No news about that. With that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Are you still willing to update to Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra? I'll see you next time. Till next time, peace out.